The banking industry has secretly created a hidden ranking system for their clients. Most people spend their entire lives trapped at level 1 of this ranking game, where the bank drains hidden fees from your hard-earned savings and treats you like a criminal in return. But what you don't know is that right behind the glass walls of that very same bank, there's a secret VIP world where you don't pay any fees. Instead, the bank serves you coffee and makes you even richer by giving you zero-tax loans. There's a hidden backdoor to the system. Today, I'm going to break down this entire banking ranking system for you. I will show you step by step how, starting from an absolute $0 balance, you can unlock these secret VIP levels at your bank. Let the game begin. Welcome to Level 1, the Trap. Alex is an average, everyday American. His bank balance is 0, or sometimes even drops into the negative. He is at Level 1. This Level 1 is the most dangerous trap in the system. Did you know that banks in America, just from overdraft fees and monthly maintenance fees, make more than $15 billion every single year? When you're at this level, the bank doesn't even see you as a human. They just see you as a penalty box. You don't have money in your account? No problem. The bank will just slap you with a $35 penalty fee, meaning you're literally paying the bank a penalty for being poor. When Alex goes to the bank, he is forced to stand in a long line. The teller looks at him like he just committed a crime. But Alex realized that to escape this trap, he has to get to Level 2. Welcome to Level 2, the Profit Center. Alex is now at Level 2. He got a promotion at his job, and his account has started receiving a monthly direct deposit. Like magic, everything changed. The bank suddenly stopped charging all monthly fees from his account. They even started offering him credit cards. Alex thought, finally, the bank respects me. I must have become super valuable to them. But no, this is where the system's biggest brainwashing lies. The bank didn't suddenly become the good guy. Rather, at this level, Alex has just become a profit center for the bank. Do you know what the bank is actually doing? They're taking Alex's saved up $2,000 and lending it out to someone else as a credit card loan at 15% or 20% interest. And at the end of the year, they give Alex a return of just 0.01%. In other words, the bank is becoming a millionaire with Alex's money. Most people get stuck in the comfort zone of this Level 2 for their entire lives. They think that just because they're not paying fees, they're safe. But Alex wasn't stupid. He understood that leaving money sitting in a savings account actually means losing wealth to inflation. He needed to use the bank system to his own advantage for wealth building. And that is how he opened the door to Level 3. Welcome to Level 3, the Priority. At this level, the game gets completely serious. Alex isn't just saving money anymore, he's building assets. When his combined bank balance and investments crossed the $25K to $100K mark, the bank's algorithm scanned him in a whole new way. Now, when Alex goes to the bank, he doesn't have to stand in long lines. He was granted access to a separate priority line. He was offered premium metal credit cards that come with travel rewards and airport lounge access. If he wants to take out a car loan or a mortgage right now, he doesn't have to deal with endless paperwork. He gets an automatic approval. The bank now realizes that Alex is on his way to becoming a high-value client, so they don't want to let him go. Meanwhile, we are also approaching the most exclusive levels of this ranking game, which are levels 4 and 5. I'm going to show you exactly what the real VIP world behind the glass walls looks like right now. But before that, I want to take a quick pause. From which part of the world are you watching this video right now? Are you in a specific state in the USA or in another country? Comment down below and let me know your state or country, and drop a quick like on this video while you're at it. I promise I will take screenshots of the best comments you guys leave and highlight them in my next video. Don't wait. Pause the video right now and comment. I'm waiting. Done commenting? Okay, let's get back to the main topic. Alex is doing pretty well at Level 3, But walking inside the bank one day, he noticed something. In one corner of the bank, there's a private room enclosed by beautiful frosted glass, where regular people are not allowed to enter. He could hear the sound of laughter and smell expensive coffee coming from inside that room. He knew then and there he had to get inside. Welcome to Level 4, the relationship. When your liquid assets and investments reach $250,000 or more, you step into this Level 4. Once you are here, there are no more regular tellers for you. The bank assigns you a dedicated relationship manager. If you need anything, you don't have to call customer care and talk to a robot. You have your manager's direct personal phone number. You just send one text and your job is done. At this level, not only does the bank stop charging you any fees, they actually lower your mortgage rates and loan interest rates significantly compared to everyday people. But Alex's dreams were much bigger. He knew that the relationship manager was just the gatekeeper of the VIP world. The real game happens way up higher, where you use money to buy money. Welcome to Level 5, Private Wealth. Boom! You have unlocked the bank's secret VIP level. When your net worth hits that $1 million to $5 million range, you become a private wealth client at the bank. Here, the entire landscape of the bank looks completely different. No crowds, no waiting in lines. You are seated at a mahogany desk and offered premium coffee. The bankers here aren't trying to sell you random financial products. Instead, they advise you on how to legally lower your taxes and how to bulletproof and protect your assets. When everyday people go for a loan, they have to provide 1,000 different documents. But at this VIP level, a single piece of paper with your signature is worth millions. The bank treats you like a business partner because they know keeping your money in their system makes them the most profit. You're probably thinking, this is it. An average guy started from zero and made it to the VIP lounge. The respect level maxes out here, right? But no. Deep inside the bank, there's one last and final boss level. This is a level that the government and 99% of people in the world have absolutely no clue about. Welcome to Level 6, the institution. Once you cross the 10 million mark, you are no longer an individual in the eyes of the bank. You literally become an institution yourself. This is known as the family office tier. This is where you start using the biggest hack in the banking game, what the ultra-rich call buy, borrow, die. Let's say your stock portfolio or real estate is worth $10 million. You need some liquid cash. Do you sell your stocks? An average person would sell it and pay the government a 30% tax. But Alex, sitting at level 6, is not going to do that. He will go to his bank, use those assets as collateral, and take out a loan through a securities-backed line of credit at just 2 or 3% interest. Since a loan isn't considered income, he doesn't have to pay a single penny in taxes to the government. He will use that zero-tax loan money to maintain his lavish lifestyle, buy new assets, and the bank will keep giving him money with a smile, because the bank knows he has massive assets backing it all up. This is completely legal, and this is exactly how the richest people in the world pay zero taxes without evading anything. This was Alex's story, but this journey can start for you today. The banking system is in no way fair. It's literally designed to suck the money out of the people at level 1 just to fund the VIP treatment for the people at level 6. But after watching this video today, at least you know the rules of the system. You know exactly what level you are currently on. You can let me know in the comments too. And hey, even if your current balance is $0, it doesn't matter. Just change your mindset starting today. Stop saving cash and start building assets. Unlock that direct deposit. Start your very first investment and slowly work your way toward that frosted glass door level of the bank. The level where real respect and true financial freedom await. If you feel like this video helped shift your financial mindset even a little bit, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because on this channel, we teach you the rules to fix your financial life. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep building your empire.